Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A6 and I'm gonna show you how to perform the first setup on this device. Let's start by selecting the language, and to do it we need to tap right here on English to open the list of languages, like that. And now we can scroll down and up and find the language we want. In our case we're gonna select English United States and then tap OK to confirm. Now we can tap down here on the emergency call to call the emergency numbers if we need to. And we can also tap on accessibility to access some settings for features like screen reader, visibility enhancements, interaction and dexterity, and installed services. Now let's go back and tap this blue arrow, or rather white arrow on the blue circle. Here we need to select tick the user agreement policies, and once we're done, tap next. Now you can copy data and settings from another device, but we're gonna select skip this for now and tap next. Here we can turn on Wi-Fi and connect to one, so let's tap turn on. And select the Wi-Fi. And then tap next. Now we can log into our Google account. So let's tap here and enter the email address. And once you're done, tap next. You can also skip it if you want by tapping skip right here. Now let's tap next to continue. Here we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Tap next. Now you can set up date and time settings if you want, by just changing the time zone, date, like that, and time if you want. And once you're done, tap next. Here you can set up a screen phone lock if you want. I mean screen lock method, for example, fingerprint, pattern, PIN, password. But in our case we're gonna tap not now and tap skip anyway. Now let's tap next. Here you can turn on and off some of the Google services by just tapping the slider next to them here. And once you're done, scroll all the way down and tap accept. And here you can select some of the apps you want to install Right now, you can select them all or unselect them if you want, and then tap OK, located on the bottom. Tap Next. Here you can log in into your Samsung account if you want, but we're gonna tap Skip, and then Skip again. And finally, let's tap Finish. And now our phone is ready to use. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.